Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so here we are. We're on page 30 of 32 pages of Best in Class. And these are mostly the band arrangements. So we're going to get started here. And whenever there are trios or duets, I'll do the single part by itself, and then I will edit them together a little bit later. Honey Rock Flapjacks. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.